The Logosol PH360 is a stable four-sided planar molder designed for professional production. It is a further development of the tried and tested PH260, but larger and with a more robust design, so it can cope with thicker timber sizes. The main difference from the small machine is the size. The 3 3/16 inch thick horizontal cutter handles material up to 16 inches, and the feeder unit also handles larger sizes. The cast iron table provides the stability required for outstanding results. All controls are located at the front of the machine, so it can be easily positioned against a wall or on a production line, where the rear table can be folded up to provide easier access to the other side of the machine. Height and width settings for the cutters are equipped with easy-to-read gauges. The setting for the alignment guide is easily accessible from the feeder table. The impressive control panel has been equipped with an extra set of buttons for starting and stopping the sawdust extractor, so everything can be controlled from your workplace. The feed rate is continuously adjustable up to 98 feet a minute. The top and bottom cutters are a combination of straight and profiled cutter planers. This means you can straight plane and profile on all four sides at the same time. The profile shape can be changed by moving the knives to the desired position and setting the height of the side cutters using spacer rings and shims. Changing from straight planing to profiling is just as easy as with the PH260. You can cut deep and beautiful profiles in all imaginable types of wood, and it doesn't take more than a few minutes to switch production from sleek ceiling moldings to thick timber blocks. For a relatively small investment, you get a complete and versatile wood planing shop. With a PH360, you have your very own factory and in a very sleek format.